Field programmable gate arrays of FPGAs are integrated chip kits that can be programmed and reconfigured by the customer or designer after manufacturing. This flexibility allows engineers to customize their hardware to their specific application or design needs. The two biggest FPGA companies are Xilinx, now owned by AMD, and Altera, now owned by Intel. This is an illustration of FPGA architecture. FPGAs are constructed from a configurable logic block or CLB, which is the fundamental building block. The CLBs are connected with switch matrix interconnects. There are also I/Os for interfacing with external components. This is an illustration of a simplified CLB. It usually consists of lookup tables or LUT, flip-flops, and multiplexers. In the Xilinx FPGA, the CLB is called a CLB, but in the Altera FPGA, the CLB is called Logic Array Block or LAB. So, different FPGAs have different terminology, and their internal architectures may be different. We are going to learn the CLB of the Xilinx 7 series FPGAs as an example. A CLB consists of two slices. There are two different types of slices, slice M and slice L. Each CLB can contain either a slice M and a slice L or two slice Ls. The M in slice M is an indication of its ability to act as distributed memory, while the L in slice L is an indication of its exclusive logic functionality. These slices contain 4 LUTs, 8 flip-flops, a network of carry logic, and 3 types of multiplexers. This is the complete block diagram of slice L and slice M from the Xilinx datasheet. The LUT is used to implement the combinational logic, while the FF is used to implement the sequential logic. In software, after we write the code, we compile the code to become an executable file. In FPGA, we do synthesis, place and route or implementation, and bit file generation. The bit file will be used to configure the CLB when you program the FPGA. The synthesis process takes your design, STL or schematic, and creates netlist out of it. This netlist is called unrouted netlist or post-synthesis netlist. The post-synthesis netlist contains an accurate description of the primitives in the design and how they are connected, but it lacks placement information. What are primitives? Primitives are the LUTs, flip-flops, multiplexers, carry chains, block RAM, FIFO, DSP, I/O, and so on. In the place and route step, the tool selects which of the actual primitives on the device will be used, and which routing resources will be used to interconnect them. The routed netlist or post-route netlist is the output from the place and route step. It contains the same information as the unrouted netlist, but with added physical placements. It maps primitives and wires to exact location on the target FPGA. Finally, in the bit file generation step, the tools convert the place and route output to the format actually used to program the device. If you want to learn more, check my online course in the description.